It's 1 a.m. You're scrolling crypto stories while hiding from real life.
Everyone online seems rich, except you.
Mortgage due, bills piling up, anxiety growing. Meet Marcus, middle class, stable job, big dreams. He earns a decent salary, but savings are tight.
That money was meant for a home.
Instead, it went into crypto. At first, hope. Then, reality. 8,000 became less than 2.
Most crypto investors lose, nearly 3 out of 4.
The wealthy hold most of the gains. Money flows up, not down. Ads told you to be brave. Influencers got paid either way. You paid the price. You're not investing. You're afraid of being left behind. Fees drain your money silently. Trading costs can eat 30% a year. Index funds cost almost nothing. Same money, very different outcome. Time rewards patience. Every crypto trade is taxable, even if you lost money. Exchanges win whether you win or lose. When crypto collapses, retail investors suffer.
Real families, real pain. Institutions play a different game.
That's not investing. It's gambling. Marcus stopped trading. He invested boringly. He slept again. Boring works. This is math, not luck. Most crypto wins are illusion. You don't need to play. You're allowed to ignore the noise. You are being targeted. The people getting rich from crypto aren't the ones buying it.